Hi, I'm Michael with Ultimate Tech Hub, and today is part 2 of my PC upgrade. Today, we're going to install the 1660 Ti graphics card. Okay, before we install the 1660 Ti, I'm not even sure what these numbers even mean, or letters. I just know this is totally impressive, so maybe TI stands for totally impressive? Maybe. But before we install this, I'm going to show you what we're replacing. That's the Geforce 660. No way. That's right, it's a 660. What? A Geforce 660. What? This thing is old. I mean, what's this, 20 years old? Is it 20? Nah, it's not 20, but 6 or 7 years old? I mean, it's heavy. I mean, you need 2 hands to hold this thing up. It's pretty heavy. Smells old. It's dusty. It's got a fan here too. You can see it's a super tiny fan. I'm not sure it even does anything, if it even can cool it at all. This is pretty unimpressive. It's time for the 1660 totally Okay, as you can see, we're all done here. This case is done. It's got the new Blu-ray burn. It's got the new power supply. It's got the new CPU cooler. It's got the new ripping Geforce 1660 totally impressive graphics card. It rips. So the first thing you want to do when you reboot this for the first time with this CPU cooler, or any CPU cooler for that fact, many times you're going to get a CPU fan error. So simply go hit F1 during the boot, go into the BIOS, go into the advanced settings, find the CPU fan speed, CPU temperature. Hit ignore for both those. Hit save, exit, reboot, and that clears the CPU fan error. And that's it. Thanks guys for watching. Please hit subscribe, hit the like button, share this video with anyone. Please leave a comment down below, good or bad. Any questions, please ask them. I can usually respond within about a day or two. Thanks again for watching.